So welcome to this YouTube channel. Welcome to this section. This section I'll be working with you on how to choose the best layout, the best style for a home project. So here you're seeing is the design process. That's the first thing, the first step before uh, finishing your interior or finishing your wall and floor. Yes, here we're going to be focusing on wall and floor. So do you understand? So we don't need to be guessing or be asking ourselves, okay, let's assume this 1 million naira, let's assume this 2 million naira. No, you have to plan and you have to, so you not feel, because you don't just want to have a field building project or a field interior project. You want to have the best. So we start with this question. Ask yourself first, what is this house meaning for? How long do you plan to live here? What problems do you want to solve? So we'll be looking at this. So why do you want to use this house, or why are you building that home? Is it for family? Is it for rental? Is it for shortlet? You must have a purpose of why you're doing that house. So you know, okay, this the budget, okay, this is what I need to spend, and this is how I'm gonna go about this. So know what the house is mainly used for. And secondly, how long do you plan to live here? Are you just building it for a short period of time or building for a long period of time? I believe you're building because of a long period of time, not just because of now. So you have to calm down and ensure that your interior space gives you that long-term vision. What problems do you want to avoid? Do you want to avoid cracks on the wall, on the floor, on the wall? Do you want to avoid stains, in the kitchen when you're cooking, or on the floor, stains? So are you going for tiles that will help you? Going for tiles that can be easily cleaned, or are you trying to avoid tiles? Go for tiles that will not make slippery floors, like somebody like you, someone that is old walking on the tiles and just floors falls. It's gonna be bad. So all the noise. So you want to avoid noise. I want to just want something like don't like noise. So it depends on the materials you're going to use. So that's just basically for that one. So we'll be talking about why design process comes first. Now, design process is, we're not just doing design because of we're just wasting our time. We are taking our time because of we're trying to prevent wrong use of material. We're trying to save cost here, cost of breaking tiles and fixing it again. No, we want to ensure that we do it well, that it comes out excellently well, and to be spending more money later on. We're also doing it in a way that we want to ensure that the construction ends well and everything aligns with our budgets and style. Hope you understand. So we're doing this right. This is why design process is the number one basic, the one step when it comes to your interior design or your building project. Do you understand? So it's important to understand this first. So if you're working on a building project right now, or maybe in the future, first of all, undergo design process first, because you have to think before you spend money, that kind of stuff. So you can subscribe to this video, or watch the next video coming up next.